What's going on YouTube, GS08 here. So in today's video we have some updates about the Electra with Cydia, and of course the iOS 11.2.6 has been released by Apple just a couple hours ago, and it's also very important for those of you who are willing to update from iOS 11.2.5. More on that later. So I'm going to start with the Electra jailbreak. Well, I have news, but they're not very good. The situation is a little bit bad since Coolstar, the main developer of the Electra jailbreak, quit Twitter for the moment after the drama with the leaked version of Electra. So if you search now for Coolstar or you go to his profile in here, it says sorry, that page doesn't exist. The reason for that is that he deactivated his Twitter account yesterday after the drama with the leaked Electra version with Cydia that was intended for the developers. Now, I made a video on that. You can check it out in here. The link will be in the description down below. Definitely watch it to understand what's going on in case you come across the leaked version. And a version of Electra that was of course intended for the developers has now been leaked by somebody. Apparently one of the developers leaked it and sold it for money to various other people, and one of these dudes have uploaded it on the internet, and of course it started to spread. Now Coolstar started to of course get very pissed off about it and wanted to implement some sort of DRM protection for the Electra. The community started to say that he's doing drama and he is one of the reasons the drama exists and stuff like that. Well, a lot of people started to sort of attack Coolstar for steering drama, and of course at some point yesterday he deactivated his Twitter and is no longer reachable. Now, what's the future of Electra? NullPixel, one of the developers who are actually working with Coolstar on Electra, says in here, quote, Electra will be finished, hopefully with Coolstar. It will still be finished without him, but we'd rather finish it with him. Now, a couple hours after that, he says, quote, looks like we will be finishing it with Coolstar after all. So he might get back to it, but it's pretty much a situation that is pretty bad. He really got pissed off, and we really risk a lot by annoying the developers like this. Now, NullPixel has also talked about the DRM protection, has also talked about Coolstar and all this situation with the leaked IPA here in a Reddit comment. I'm going to link to it so you can check it out in the description down below. Anyways, yes, that's pretty much what's currently going on with Electra. Electra is currently on hold. They're still working on it, but Coolstar went off Twitter and you can no longer reach him on Twitter for updates and stuff like that. Hopefully he will come back on Twitter, and I do believe that he will get back on it after this whole situation ends. But yeah, we really got him pissed off this time by saying different things about Electra and the fact that he shouldn't have created the developer only version in the first place and stuff like that. Well, yeah, do not use the leaked version, because the leaked version is very, very dangerous. As I said, you can learn more in this video in here that I made yesterday. But anyways, yeah, for the moment, we do not know what's going to happen with Electra. According to NullPixel, another developer, it will get finished. But yeah, well, let's hope that we do not annoy NullPixel as well. Anyways, Apple has seeded a couple hours ago iOS 11.2.6. What this does is pretty much fixing the Indian character problem that was causing the devices to crash or to stop responding or to stop booting even, and sending them into a boot loop if somebody sent you that text or you got a notification with it. So yes, it pretty much fixes that problem in iOS 11.2.6. Now, for those of you who are jailbroken and can't afford to update to iOS 11.2.6 due to that, there will be fixes in the Cydia repositories that you will be able to install, and one of them is actually already out. It's called Not Today Satan, and you can install that. Well, this is pretty much how you fix it on lower versions. I'm going to link to the tweak in the description down below. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on currently about the Electra. There are no new updates on the betas for the general public, but as I said, the project is a little bit in danger due to the fact that people are annoying a little bit Coolstar, and due to the fact that the leaked version can create a lot of problems, and a lot of people believed that the leaked version should be installed and the leaked version, is safe to be installed. There are even videos made by people on how to install it, which is very bad. There are videos made on YouTube by various channels. So I definitely recommend you to not install the leaked version. It's very buggy and can result in a boot loop. And of course, let's wait for Coolstar to calm down and get back to Twitter and get back to work with NullPixel and the other guys on the Electra. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to stay updated. I'm GeoSnow. Till the next time, peace out.